All right, my man, here we are. You got the car, man, and we are. One of my boys has showed up, and he is like, he's impressing me. I am impressed. So, come here, man. Talk to us about your little Honda.
Oh.
What year is it?
94.
It's a 94, and tell me about your reservoir.
It's Hennessy Bottle.
You got a Hennessy bottle for a reservoir.
Yep.
The world must see this. And what inspired you to do this, by the way?
Just being different.
Just like it's all about making a different cool car. It's all your own, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, so seriously, he needs to go away. That's a I think pretty sure that was a Subaru. Okay. So walking up to this car, man. So how did you mount this thing?
It's 2 screws on the bottom.
So this actually works, huh?
It's 2 screws in the
It would work. I mean, he's got the hose for it for an overflow. I mean, it works.
Yeah.
Check it out, man. That is pimp. Look at that, man. That is just too cool. I'm digging it, brother. You gotta come share some more stuff on the Car Man's channel as you come up with it. All right.
Sure.
Let's take a look at this little thing. So this is what I like. It's kind of like the rat rod of the Hondas. These guys are like they're the real deal. He cut out his fenders. Check them wheels out. I mean, how far off the ground are you, my man?
From the actual frame of the car? About 2 inches.
About 2 inches. I got you. He just came in because he had to do some modifications on the trunk. I'm kind of digging it, man. What is this? Don't touch my car. What is this? I like it. Ratchet. His girlfriend. That must be your girlfriend, right?
No.
It's actually mine.
It's his girl. Oh, it's his boy's girlfriend. He just like, he got it all decorated inside. What's she sound like, man? Come on, fire this thing up. Man's got a Hennessy bottle. We got to hear what this thing sounds like.
Sounds like it.
It's like a deep tone to it. It's a 3-inch exhaust.
Wait a minute. Do I see a car speaker here?
Yeah.
It does not play music.
Oh, it does.
Is that you got a bullhorn?
Yeah. That's a music player too.
It plays music. I've got to hear it. Go ahead and turn it on.
The music first or the car?
Let's hear the music first. Guys, I can't. This is what you call creative. I love this stuff. This is like an artist on wheels. Alright then. Alright. What about our bullhorn? Is it knocking some music? Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, we got to hear how she runs, man. How's she running? Go ahead and rap it once or twice. See what she sounds like. Okay. You got to do that. But you're always working on it, though, right? He's got to throw a head on this week. But, man, that's a cool ride, man. All right, man, this is another one from the Car Man's channel. Tell him later, brother.
All right, later.
You gonna come back and visit us?
Sure.
All right, when he does some more crazy stuff, we're gonna make him come back and do it. All right, by the way, how about Silence the Altar over here? How about this rock star? This guy, hey man, can you brush? This guy's a rock singer, man. How do you do that with your voice, bro?
A lot of water, a lot of practice.
A lot of water. Are you gonna? Can we watch you on the Car Man's channel one day?
Of course.
Will you light it up?
Oh hell yeah, dude.
Can I be in the band, like kind of like a, you know, the Car Man plays a. What is it? What can I play? Like that little square triangle or something?
Get the triangle. Ding.
Ding! I can do that part. That should work for a death metal band, huh?
Hell yeah, dude.
That's right. The cowbell.
Stay heavy.
Can I do the cowbell?
No, cowbell.
All right.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, cool guys. Nothing but love, man. These guys are killing it, man. I'll show you Will's car later. He's got a little Honda he's in the middle of working on, so we'll just show you that maybe tomorrow whenever he shows up again. All right, later. Peace out. Nothing but love from the RVA. See ya, baby.